Welcome back, my home cooks and chef. Today we're gonna be doing some Southern fried chicken, you guys. We always all month long we be celebrating Black History Month, so we're gonna be doing some soul food dishes. So this is a staple in all Black households, you guys, is fried chicken. You know what I'm saying? If you ain't got no fried chicken in your house, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna take your black card, folks. You know what I'm saying? You better have some Southern fried chicken. You better eat some of it. You know, I ain't talking for those that are vegans. You know what I'm saying? I'm sorry for your loss with vegans, but I ain't hating on your vegans. You know, I do eat vegetables as well. But right here we're gonna be doing some Southern fried chicken, very simple, easy way, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Welcome back, all my folks, and I'll see you guys in the. All right, you guys. So, with the theme of celebrating Black History Month, we're gonna be doing these soul food dishes. Now, this is a big staple in my household of fried chicken, you guys. We eat fried chicken probably once, twice a month. I mean, it was something easy, simple meat. Chicken is really cheap. Not nowadays, but chicken is really cheap, and it was a go-to. You know what I'm saying, for Sunday dinner with the family. Just whipping up something quick and easy was one of the dishes. And normally the time we would normally eat, fried chicken with probably spaghetti or a salad, some green beans and stuff like that. So this one is just on fried chicken, you guys. So we're gonna be celebrating Black History Month. We're gonna be celebrating soul food dishes for the entire month. We have to have fried chicken. You know what I'm saying? No, we're not gonna be doing no binders. This is how old school Southern fried chicken was put together. Because I notice a lot of people, like I said in one of my other videos, they want to slap egg on it. They want to do, these different batters and stuff like that. When you actually, the original way is you season your flour, and season your chicken, and that was it, and you deep fry it, or you put it in a cast iron skillet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna season my chicken up. This is how, I've always seen it done. See, you season your chicken up on all sides, you clean them up. I already had cleaned them and stuff like that. I see a little feather was still on there. And these are little thighs, chicken thighs. You can get the chicken quarters if you like. You know, when we had them, it was chicken quarters, and we would cut the legs off, to stretch out the pieces of chicken. So you have leg and thigh, pretty like that, pretty much. And that's it, you guys. Just make sure you season your chicken on all sides. Now you're probably wondering, like, man, there's a lot of seasoning. Well, this one is a well balanced seasoning. This is my all-purpose seasoning, my cluck rub, you guys. So that's why it's pretty good. Now, next thing you want to do, is season your flour, you guys. That is one big key. Is season your flour. This actually enhances the flavor. Once it stick to it, it fries up pretty good. Now, you guys can do it different ways. I can actually add in salt, pepper, garlic, and paprika. Those are the main common ones when you're doing it. Now, normally back in the day, let's give you a little history on it. Used to have a brown paper bag. For those that know, it was a brown paper bag. We ain't had no plastic Ziploc bag. Ziploc bag back in the day was expensive, so you couldn't get no Ziploc bag. So we would use the best thing coming is either a plastic bag or a brown paper bag that you would get from the grocery store. So that's what we did. So, but nowadays, it's much more easier. They're cheaper. You can get, Ziploc bags for 99-cent store or, Dollar Tree for really a good price, and that's it. So just put a couple of pieces in here. Have your fryer, on between 300 to 350 degrees, and what I'm gonna do is let me get my pan. So before we put them in the fryer, so you want to shake off the excess of the chicken and just sit it until we finish shaking shaking up all the chicken. Now, who in here, likes to eat fried chicken? Let me know in the comments. Do y'all like fried chicken? Which ways y'all like to do it? And let me know if this was part of your family dinners. Whipping up, or what was your sides of what were your sides that went with fried chicken? I know we did string beans. Sometimes we did Uncle Ben's. We may have stuffing. It just depends on whatever the night was. How pretty much my mom and dad felt that night, what they wanted to put together and stuff like that. We had it with collard greens. We had it with, some potato salad. Now, definitely, if you haven't seen my potato salad video, definitely check out that one. But it just depends. Like I said, with fried chicken, it's a real versatile dish that you can actually match up with everything. That's why chicken is one of the most eaten pieces of meat, saying around the world. So let me get into getting this fryer ready, and we're gonna get ready to fry these chicken pieces up. All right, you guys. So what I'm gonna do is place my thighs. Don't crowd it up. Place my thighs in the bottom of my deep fryer. Now you can do this in a cast iron skillet. You can actually do it in a regular skillet, but I'm doing it in a deep fryer. The reason why I like deep frying my chicken because it cooks evenly. You can do it easy which way. When I fry it in the oven, I actually put it in. When I fry it on the stovetop, I actually put it in the oven to make sure, say it's cooked all the way through. But this one is one way to do it, good way to do it. So if you ever see KFC, Church's Chicken, this is one, way they do it. It's always deep fried. So we're gonna deep fry it. So all right, we're gonna place it down in here and get to frying. All right, so we're gonna let it get to frying up. And it shouldn't take that long. One key that I do know is once your fried chicken starts floating up, it's almost pretty much done. So once it gets to like a golden brown, a little bit golden brown, then it's time to take it out. So once it's finished frying up, we're gonna take it out and I'll show you the finished product. All right, you guys, so you always want to make sure your inner temperature of your chicken is 165 degrees. We just got about at 165 right now. It's time to take the chicken out. You always want to check your temperature first. You don't want to serve anybody raw chicken. That's one thing that you don't want to do when it comes down to chicken. So I'm going to let it drain a little bit. You know what I'm saying? And we'll let it out. Pretty much done. All right, you guys. It's looking pretty good. Seasoned, hold it up well. Let me know if you what you think about that. Turn the fryer off. All right, you guys. So this is how you make Southern fried chicken. So this is the old school Southern fried chicken way. So if you want to know about the seasonings that's on here, you can do a basic seasoning with salt, pepper, garlic, which is SPG, and add paprika in there. So that's salt, pepper, garlic, and a little paprika, and season it up. You can actually get that at any, 99-cent store, any cheap store. Seasons no more than probably 99 cents if you want to go on the cheap side and still get a delicious, edible chicken. It's like that. So if you want to do really go basic, old school, salt and black pepper. That's all you really need, and flour, and that's it. If you don't have all the other ingredients. All right, you guys. So I'm your Chef Casey. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, you guys. I really appreciate y'all been hanging in all month long, celebrating with me. Black History Month with all the soul food dishes that I've been putting out. If you have any suggestions of any dishes that you would like me to do, let me know. I feel free, to share, your story with me. Also, too, don't forget to go on my Facebook page, The Urban Culture Kitchen Food Feeds the Soul, you guys. I really appreciate if y'all come over there and post up your dishes. Even if you don't post up dishes that I made, post up your dishes. Share with everybody, with your family, and loves to cook and stuff like that. Share your story as well. I would love to hear from it. And if you share, your photos and stuff like that, I would definitely try to, feature you in the community tab of YouTube, you guys. So come on over there. I love to see what you guys got going on in the kitchen. And I will see you guys in the next one. Boy, this chicken smelling good.